The Ka-Bar Kukri review and unboxing. Hi everybody, I'm Mark and welcome to our channel. In this series of videos I'm showing you what I've put in my survival bag to date. I don't know whether it's watching too much Walking Dead or watching the news. I just thought it was a good idea to put together a survival bag. Last year I bought a Kukri knife from House of Nepal in Nepal, and there's a link to the review of this knife in the description below. I just fancied a Kukri. I like watching Forged in Fire and seeing the Kukris there and how they've been demonstrated, and I really fancied adding a Kukri to my survival bag. So I went and bought this Kukri from Nepal last year. It failed miserably on just a small bamboo chop. So I sent it back to House of Nepal in America, and the address they gave me failed, so it was sent back to me. Amazon kindly refunded all the money, so I got 79 euros back for the initial cost of this knife. So I got this knife just for the cost of postage, sending it back and forth to America, so that was 28 euros. So this knife cost me 28 euros. I then decided, still wanted a Kukri, so I thought I'd go for Ka-Bar. Heard a lot of good things about Ka-Bar, American knife, and bought the Ka-Bar knife, Kukri. However, it's made in Taiwan. Still, very good reviews though. So this is the unboxing and review of the Ka-Bar Kukri. Box itself, rather nice. Comes with a sheath made of leather and kukri. Kukri is a man-made fibre, very tough. That's on the front, and the back and the straps, buckle, are all leather. Nice case, and you can obviously fasten that to your leg as well. There's a fastening place there. The knife itself is 17 inches long with 11.5 inch blade, nicely wrapped in bubble wrap, and there is a protective cover for the blade inside that. I guess we should start with the handle, which is a synthetic material, and it's called thermoplastic, and it has a nice grip. It's contoured for your hand. Your hand, there's a block there and also at the front, so your hand's not going to go anywhere, and there's a nice lanyard hole as well to make it extra safe. So let's have a look at the blade. So it's 11.5 inch blade. Full length of the Kukri is 17 inches, and this Kukri weighs 1.7 pounds. I guess we ought to see how sharp it is first on some paper. Everyone likes to see this test. So as you can see, for a nice large knife, extremely sharp. Okay, this Ka-Bar Kukri is made of 1085 stainless steel. The cost was 68 euros and 58 cents, but because I ordered it in America, postage was quite high, $44.60. So the total cost for this was $113.18. But I did get $79 back, or 79 euros back rather, for this Kukri. So that helped pay for this one. Okay, we've seen how this Ka-Bar Kukri slices paper, extremely sharp. I guess it's only fair to test it the same way we tested the Nepalese Kukri, which is to chop some bamboo. Now the Nepalese Kukri failed on just chopping a 1 centimetre in diameter piece of bamboo. So I'm going to do the same test with the Ka-Bar Kukri to see how that fares. In the description it says this is designed for clearing bush and for camping and chopping small wood. So a 1 centimetre piece of bamboo shouldn't be a problem for this. Okay guys, we're at our black bamboo section. This is where the Nepalese Kukri failed. So I'm going to chop the same size bamboo with this Ka-Bar Kukri, and we'll see how this one fares. Okay guys, not a single mark, it passed. Just a bit of dirt, that's it. No marks in the blade. Unlike the Nepalese one, this one can actually do the job. Okay guys, we'll test its chopping abilities. I've got some green wood that was cut down last week. Okay, the Nepalese one. Okay, the Nepalese hasn't got any more damage, which is good. Didn't really bite into it too much. Let's just do a comparison for the Ka-Bar. And again, no damage. To be honest, it felt more or less the same cutting into the wood. So they both performed okay with that one. Guys, I hope you've enjoyed this unboxing and review of the Ka-Bar Kukri. For the price, I think it's a great Kukri and I would recommend it, and I'm glad I've got it within my survival bag.